What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We brought scratch that because you already know what today is. Today, guys, we're presenting you a new theme of videos called Quick Tip Tuesday. Can I get a drum roll, please? So in these video series, I'll be going over quick tips of what I do where it comes to marketing, customization, mock-ups, whatever tips I can conjure up for you guys, I will be sharing with you guys. So stay tuned. This is the first episode and I'm very excited to share with you guys. So let's continue with the video. Alright guys, so today's tip will be taping up your shoe. So I'll be only showing you one technique that I use to tape your shoes. And this is not the only one. This is not the only way you have to do it, but there's multiple ways that you can do it. But this is one of the ways that I like to do it and quickly move through the process. So today we'll be using just tape, no X-Acto knife, no nothing else, just tape. So what you want to do is you want to rip a medium size and then rip it down to a smaller size. The reason I do this is so when you're taping the shoe and to get the curvature of the shoe, you want to have small tapes so you can wrap around it. Because if you're taping something and you ever notice that when using a longer piece of tape, you can't really get the angles without it folding on itself. So this is something that I do just to get those angles. I rip the tape in half and try to get it as small as I can and then wrap it around the shoe, which gives you a better result. And also you can use other tape. This tape it's not the best, but it's a cheap solution. Please tape your shoe up when you're customizing. Tape your shoe up because this is one of the most important things when it comes to customizing, because you will save so much time when you tape it up rather than going back over the white midsole and painting white over it. And eventually you just wasted a good 30, good 20, good 10 minutes when you could have just taped it in the beginning. So take that little extra time to tape it up correctly too.